today is all about inter-exchange practicals. Are you ready? Go ahead and give a like to this video and don't forget to subscribe. Now we're going to get started with our signal for today. I know you want to know what coin to choose, so I'm here to share with you a coin, a signal, an inter-exchange arbitrage signal from our Wonder tool. Just in case you're wondering what that's about, I'll share with you in a minute. But before I go ahead and share with you the signal for today, do you know that we just released our ebook on the 5 mega strategies that I use and that I've used to get over 85% win rate in my trades? Yes, this ebook specializes and focuses more on spot trading, but you see, all these parameters, all these steps can also be applied to all kinds of trading. All right, to get access to this ebook for a ridiculous one-off price, go ahead and click on the link in the description. So let's get into the signal for the day. This is ASI USDT. Our Wonder tool told us that this is going to give us some good profit. So we want to check whether that's true. So let's go ahead and dive in. So this is ASI USDT, and we're being told to buy it on Mexi and then go sell it off on KuCoin for some good profit. Let's try it out and see how this goes. And I'm going to be using this to explain to you all the different things you need to get. So the very first thing you need is a platform to give you signals, and that's where our Wonder tool is there for you. Go ahead and click on the link in the description and you'll be chatting with me about getting login access to this platform. Okay, now after you've gotten your signal, the first thing that you want to evaluate is the price of the coin on your originating platform actually the same with what's on your platform? Yeah, we can see that this is good. Next is we want to simulate, right? Put in $100. $100 is just like an SI unit for me to be able to get out the percentage fast, right? So once you do that, I'm going to check how much that will give me. That's 54,308.30 pieces. Let's just say 54,318 pieces. You copy that because you need to have this figure, right? Then before we go over to the next platform, we need to check to see whether we can withdraw this particular coin, to know the network and to know whether it is withdrawable. So you have to come over to wallets, click on withdraw, and then you type in that particular coin. That's ASI. All right, so click on ASI, and then it tells you that it has a lowest chain withdrawal. Okay, let's see. Let's click on that and see what that is giving us. Okay, it's telling us that the network is near protocol, right? Near protocol. You have to be sure that first of all we can withdraw this coin, and secondly that we know the particular network. You see, if we don't know the network, that's going to be a problem. There are some coins that have the same name, but their networks are different. If you send it to a wrong network, your money is gone. Your money is gone. I was a victim of that some years ago, like maybe 2 years ago. So don't fall into that particular problem. Okay, so the first thing is that you need to know what the network is and whether it's withdrawable. Is it withdrawable? Yes. But what about the price? Now you come over here and check this place. It will tell you the network fee is 2SAI. You can actually click on here and to bring it up. It will show you the exact amount. You can see it's practically less than 1 cent. It's 0.0037. So it's really nothing money, right? It's really so cheap to transfer this. And it's not going to affect you because you see the transfer fees are just the same. Whether you're transferring 1 or you're transferring 1 million, the transfer fees are exactly the same. So let's quickly rush over to Mr. KuCoin because we need to know whether we can actually deposit it there. Let's go over to KuCoin. So we're now here in KuCoin. We need to check for ASI. Okay, ASI, where are you? Good. This is ASI. Now we want to know whether we can get some good profit. Ooh! Did you just see what my eyes are seeing? $108. Oh my God. This is an 8% profit potential. Can you see what my eyes are seeing? I need to go back to be sure that something is really working here, because you see, when you see this kind of big profits, it looks unbelievable. But I'm going to go back and check just to be sure. So I'm back here to confirm. I'm going to reload this just to be sure that we're good, because anything can happen within a split second and you want to be sure that you are doing the right thing. So let me make sure I do that. Okay, so I'm gonna put this here and then put in my $100 because this is ASI USDT. Just to be sure, let's copy it because anything could have happened. Copy ASI USDT. We're going over. Yes, we're in KuCoin again. Make sure you load it and just be sure. Let's be sure. Let's be sure. What's the price? What's the price? That's it. I'm going to paste it in here and see. Okay. No, I'm sorry. I did. Look at it. It's actually 102. I was like 108. What are we talking about? When you see that kind of thing, you know there's a problem. Okay, so that's why I did that, to quickly go back and check. So we actually have a 2.1%. Let's just say almost like 2.2, because this is 102.196. Okay, so now next thing that we've seen that there's profit to be made, we go over to be sure that we can actually deposit it. Okay, so you have to come to funds and then click on deposit. And what was the name? ASI. So we click on that and then we'll just wait to see that it has a deposit address. That's very important. Okay, so now we can see it has a deposit address and we can deposit it. The same network, near protocol, good. And it says it comes in here within 2 minutes. That's what you need to know. So now that we've seen that that is possible, right? Next thing is that we're going to go over to make sure that everything is super okay, right? The very first thing that you need to do is to be able to get the coin from the platform. And of course, we know the platform is our Wonder Tool. And if you want to get access to that, just click on the link in the description. Now, what are the things you will get when you click on the link in the description? You're going to get either 7 days or 30 days login access, depending on the package you choose. You're also going to get full access to all our training, to the training program, right? We're going to send you the full recording to the tutorial of this Wonder Tool, how to use it. And not only that, the best part is, two more best parts, okay, is that we are going to have 2 or 3 live one-on-one sessions with me, and you're going to get my ebook free. I think that's another good part, right? Good. So if you're interested in getting login access, 7 days or 30 days, click on any of the links in the description and we will be chatting. So once you get your quality signal from the platform, next up is that you come here and you paste $100 just to check the percentage profit. You can use $20, you can use $10, you can use, I mean, on Mexi you can use, let me see if you can definitely use $20. If we do that, it's going to be the same profit potential, whether it's $100, whether it's $200, whether it's $1,000. This gives us 2.1%. Right? That's beautiful. Once you've done that, you check whether you can withdraw it and how much the fees will cost. This is practically nothing money. Okay, you check on that and then you go and check on your destination exchange to see whether you can deposit it, because there's some other exchanges where it will tell you deposits have been disabled for this particular coin. I just even saw one today. I'm telling you. So you need to be sure you can deposit. You can't just rush and say, oh, because you got a very good, profit potential, you're going to rush without checking all of that. Now, in the next episode, I'm going to be sharing with you something very important about the order book, because that's very, very key. It's going to determine whether your trade gets stuck or gets executed fast. And I know you don't want to miss that. So before we go, don't forget to subscribe and make sure that you share this with your friends. I hope you've learned something. Let me know in the comments what stood out for you most, because it's important that you pick the right kind of coin on the right kind of platform. And I'll see you in the comments. Take care.